2004 Acura Rsx. I'm gonna replace the VTEC solenoid gasket, and it's this one right here. It's a little difficult to show, but it's this one right here, and 3 bolts. There's 3 bolts that you're gonna remove, 2 electrical connectors. There's one. Two. Now the 3 bolts over here at the bottom. There's 3 bolts. They're all 10 millimeter, and they're all the same size. It's a little difficult, you know, the axis can't see, but I got a rag down there, and also I got a catching pan. It's gonna drop a lot of oil. So before you install it back, you gotta clean the mating surface. Alright, so this is how it looks. This is, I will also be replacing the O-ring on the pressure switch. This is the old O-ring, and you can see it's very flat already. And this is the new one. This one, and it's a 22 millimeter with this. This is the part, the new gasket. Okay, so now I gotta remove this, clean. I'm gonna clean this very well, clean the mating surface, and then put the new O-ring in here, tight, you know, finger tight, and then I'm gonna. So with the solenoid like this is the O-ring. You put it in there, line it, and you finger tight the pressure switch. O-ring's not gonna move. Now you can put the new gasket, already clean, in there. Okay, before you install it back, clean clean the mating surface in the car, and then tight these to 16 foot-pounds, and then pressure switch to 16 foot-pounds. All right, mating surface clean, so we're ready to put the solenoid back. So I think that's 3 bolts, one here, the second one over here, 1, 2, 3. So I gotta tighten them to 16 foot-pounds. Okay, the 3 bolts are already torqued to 16 foot-pounds. Also the pressure switch torqued to 16 foot-pounds. So all you gotta do is connect the 2 electrical connectors and you are finished. And this is how you replace the VTEC solenoid on pretty much any Honda. But this is an Acura Rsx.